anniversary today, and we are on the road. It is 7:39. We're just gonna pick up smoothies from McDonald's, and then we are going to make a 2.5-hour drive all the way up to Spruce Woods.
What up? Super excited. I don't know what it is, but I get like so freaking excited to go through the McDonald's drive-thru, especially like at this hour. Sunlight's coming through perfectly. Maybe it's just the ambience, the ambiance.
Wow, I'm trying to make the lighting better here with my thing, but it's really just not even helping.
I just love McDonald's sponsored.
Sponsored by McDonald's. We're in the big leagues now.
If McDonald's catches wind of this and you guys want to sponsor us,
I don't think McDonald's sponsors. They're just
you
way
could
too big
though.
for that.
You could.
You could lose money by sponsoring little YouTubers.
I don't think you would lose money. McDonald's even has that startup. They started out as like the little guys, and someone was like, "Nah, you're no good," and then the other guy was like, "Hey, this could be something. You guys have amazing fries."
Kyle loves history about everything, so yeah, maybe some of you do as well.
But I mostly love McDonald's. Thank you.
Just you said that so nonchalantly. Just past the center of Canada.
Canada is celebrating its 150th birthday last year.
That was good grammar.
Canada celebrated its 150th birthday last year. But this year, Canada, nope. But this year, Manitoba is celebrating its 150th birthday. So that's exciting.
So we've been driving on the number 2 highway for a while now, and basically Manitoba is just straight up farmland. It's like fields all around us this whole time while we've been driving. We have the perfect landscape because it's just flat.
Walking trails.
Walking trails. We're getting close to our destination.
Dunes, but not a desert.
Interesting.
It's pretty flowers. Hey, wait, those are those flowers you don't like.
She's like, I am so pumped. Wow, this is freezing. I want a picture here because in my mind it looks cool. Stay out too far. Or are you going to the bathroom? Thank you for leaving.
Oh my gosh. This is a bad idea because now I've put my shoes on. Oh, that was a close one. Sand in my shoes anyway. Not a lot. Okay.
So what do you think of the lunch?
Awesome.
The garbage. Honestly, think that a good lunch is half of what makes a good hike. If you have a good lunch, then you're set. We are finished our hike.
Wow.
3 hours later?
Yeah, only 3 hours later. Through a desert. We went through a desert.
Not a desert.
Dunes, but not a desert. A desert.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Sneeze. On the camera.
Wow. When you go to Spruce Woods, specifically the Spirit Sands and Devil's Punchbowl hike, you get sandy. I feel like I have sand everywhere. I have lots of water.
You're just wearing gym shoes. And so it's just being a ticket.
We have never done this hike and it was just like so fun. We would do it again. It would be fun to camp there. Maybe 2.5 hour drive from Steinbach. We would be able to stay and do more and see more things. Lots of incline, lots of